Why you like making me to do something or call somebody, you know?
No, I don't want you to call anybody, man.
Yeah, so then you have to.
We're here to place a public records
I'm going to
request.
place a public records request.
I don't think so.
Sorry guys, no more leaving. I don't want to be in your camera.
Wait, what happened?
I don't want to be in your camera.
You weren't. You actually weren't in the camera.
I'm an investigative reporter. I do that.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Yes, that's why I asked the question.
What do you work for? Alrighty, KC Camera Boy here, working on a First Amendment audit to teach people respect our freedom to record. Oh, that's it.
Can I ask you guys a question?
Yes.
Why are you filming?
Why not? Why aren't you filming?
Just curious what you're filming for.
Why aren't you filming?
Why would I be filming?
Why
Do
not?
you want to come in?
Life's short. You gotta film life as it happens.
What are you filming for TikTok? Is that what it is?
TikTok?
I don't even know what the hell
I'm
you're
just
talking
curious.
I don't know. I'm a tourist from Dubai.
about. I don't want to play tic-tac-toe.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're a tourist. Okay.
I'm a tourist from Dubai, so I want to see how people react to camera. Because in my country, you cannot take pictures of something just like that. We'll get
So-
arrested.
So you're just interviewing people, or just
No,
No.
you actually interrupted our photography.
Yes.
yeah, to ask a question? I'm an investigative reporter. I do that.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Yes, that's why I asked the question.
What do you work for?
So,
Myself.
do you regularly infringe on people's rights?
How am I infringing on your rights by asking you a
You
question?
interrupted my public photography.
How are we knowing that what you're doing? I
don't
asked
have
you
to
a
know.
question.
You don't have
You're
to know.
doing it in public,
You say you're an
so
investigative reporter.
Yeah.
You tell everybody who asks you exactly what you're doing every time you're doing it?
if somebody asks me a question, I don't have a problem answering it if I
Well, that's
feel that
your
it's
decision,
appropriate.
and that's
Why
your
are you
decision.
so argumentative and confrontational?
Because you interrupted my work.
I'm really
Yes.
sorry, but you know when you're sitting here enjoying your coffee and you've got two cameras in your faces, you're gonna ask me
No,
what
they're
you're
not in
filming.
your face. I'm holding
Oh
it.
no! When I was sitting right there, when I was sitting right there, the
They were in
cameras
your
were
face?
directed right
Yeah.
at these people.
through those
Directed, okay.
Do your thing.
Is
Enjoy
this how you
yourself.
American street people from other countries here?
Trample on people's rights.
Yeah.
Wow,
Okay,
it's
whatever.
crazy.
They're just being aggressive.
I'm a tourist from Dubai and I'm taking pictures,
Man,
so
you came out yelling at us. I didn't yell at you.
wow. What a Karen.
What's that? Who's yelling now? I was gonna say, I don't hear
You can't even be a tourist here. Behind you, behind you.
You mind not walking up right on people's ass here? What's going on?
Is this TikTok? What is this?
I'm a
I'm
tourist
not,
from Dubai.
I'm not explaining anything to somebody who looked like they wanted to jump on my back.
Were you trying to hump him or something?
I'm good,
Dude, you were right on my ass. Like,
I'm good.
Yeah. Very
Right.
bad. Thank you, though.
like, why walk up on someone's ass like that, bro?
Wow, that's scary. You ever been to Dubai?
I can't hear you.
You ever been to Dubai?
I'm deaf.
Oh, you're deaf? Okay. Sorry to hear that. I'll get there one day, though. 50 more years from you or something. Wow. Can you leave it open, please? Thank you. Open, though. She tried, though. That was nice of her. Homie over there tripping. Homie's over there. Homie over there was taking a picture. Look, look, look. To your 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Actually, that'll be your 10. Your 10. Homie over there. I'm a tourist from Dubai.
No, you're not.
What do you mean I'm not? I don't look like or what? What is she talking about?
That's a big change.
It's from Dubai.
Really? Oh, nice.
No, it's not.
Good purchase.
It's not.
It is.
I'm from over there, I know. I invite you to go to Dubai.
I know. I want to go.
Just
Your
get
car
20.
will fit right in over there. There's tons of those over there.
Yeah.
My
That'll be basic
girlfriend
over
went
there.
there last summer. She said it was the best.
We give away to those to kids over there.
I'm
As soon
sure.
as they turn 7, we just give them away to them. We'll like, here, for you. You get one each.
Get one.
For us. On the parties, they make a line and we'll give them money. That's Dubai. That's a life over there.
Good for them.
I invite you to go over there.
I want to go one day.
Mhm.
See the army. Why can't you tell me? I want to
I'm
know.
a tourist.
No, you're not.
I'm a tourist. I'm showing my people how Americans react to cameras. We can film over there. I get whooped.
Oh,
They'll
you're
whoop me
right,
over there.
yeah.
They'll whoop me over there. If I do this, I cannot film over their buildings. I'll get arrested. I'm serious.
ZZ Top. ZZ Top. Good reference. Good reference. What do you guys got going on? Oh, just doing public photography, filming life as it happens.
Yes. Where are you guys going on?
You gotta talk to our agents.
Who's your agent?
Hopefully it's the handsome blonde next to you.
What's that?
I don't know. I'm perplexed over it.
They're perplexed. Homie over there shook. Homie over there shook.
These guys before.
No. He is having the meltdown of shame.
Sorry guys, I'm working and I don't want to be in your camera.
Wait, what happened?
I don't want to be in your camera.
You actually weren't in the camera until you put yourself in the camera.
Yep. We didn't know you existed, bud, until now.
Yeah, he put himself on camera.
Thank you, though.
In public, I would recommend going inside.
Thank you. We appreciate you. Thanks. Wow, he's gonna go get the manager now.
They're
Let me-
encouraging street photography.
The manager came out.
Yeah, this is Jeff, the manager.
Paparazzi?
My cousin's husband, Bill.
Why would I show my face?
You know the signs tell you to municipal code is still up?
Drive out, you guys.
You're such a bitch, fool. Straight bitch, bro. Wow. That's why you are, bro. Yeah, that's why you are, little bitch, fool. Walk of shame. This fool. Oh, guys want to see our face. I don't get it.
Well, we're just following city ordinance today.
Right? We're just following city ordinance. There they go. You think they're gonna flip it? You think they're gonna flip it? Nah, they ain't gonna flip it. They ain't gonna flip it.
No cameras, nothing.
Says who?
I don't know.
I'm here to place a public records request. What are you talking about?
You cannot be here,
You have a camera?
I don't have a camera. Do you have a camera?
Our taxes pay for this building. So
But not like, oh, hey, what are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? Don't, chon. I'm filming.
Please be nice to us.
So then you guys need to be nice too,
How have we not been nice?
because why you like making me to do something or call somebody,
No, I don't want you to call anybody, man.
Yeah, so then you have to.
We're here to place a public records
I'm going to
request.
place a public records request.
I don't think so.
Well, okay,
You
then
don't
don't think
think
so.
so?
But that's what we need to
Hey,
do.
is it closed or what?
Just be nice. Be nice, please.
Is it closer? Is it closed?
My child goes to one of these schools and I can't go in here?
No, hey, this is business related, man. I need to place a public records request. Where should I go? Where should I go? I need to place a public records request for the Department of Education. Hey. Do you even know?
Hello, this is
What the heck?
harass me and try to make a picture and a video.
What? What?
Yes, can you call PD right away? Because there is a 3 people.
What? You're lying. You're hella lying, lady. What the heck? There.
It says no public access. We have to go. We should go. I'm going to go.
What are you looking for?
I'll meet you at the DMV.
No, there is a guy. He tried to make
Let's have to get the pin real quick.
my
VIN number.
like a video or something.
What is she talking about?
Come on, come make this.
What is she talking? I think she's getting educated. Yep, educational chain there. Oh. Damn, that's it. I think she's getting educated. Where's Ghost at? Where?
You went inside.
He went back?
Yep.
And there is a one lady, she's standing in front of a boat company, and there is another guy with a camera. Just kept
What? Ah, yeah, I think she's getting educated. So this is a quick one here. Yeah. Damn, Gina. There they come. Yeah. They don't even care. Whoa, two of them actually. What the heck? I guess. So she was tripping. She's still on the phone over there.
They told her.
Yeah, she's on the phone. Still. Wow. Look, she's coming now and taking pictures of us.
You wanna go over there?
Let's go meet her? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. She wants to engage now.
You don't wanna come
She didn't like it when you film her car. Yeah, that's it. They know it's us. They're just driving around running plates. Watch out.
Nah, that's the police station right there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Is it there? So she was taking pictures, but she then left. Oh, wow. Oh, what is she on now? Yep, she's there. She just walked away. Oh, yeah, it is closed. We can even place a public record because, wow, incredible. Yep, that's it. Well, I guess. Casey, camera boy.